What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, my name's Chris, and it is currently 6:57 at night. The sun's going down. Look at this view. Come on. Look at that view, dude. I love Milwaukee. I need to give a huge shout out to Chris Meets Chris because he has been inspiring me lately to do more of a talkative vlog with this DJI Action 5. And I went to the gym about an hour ago, and when I was walking to the gym, I was trying to record like he does. If you don't know who he is, stop this video, search him up, watch his vlogs, they're great. Come back to mine and you'll understand what I'm saying here. He walks around and he just talks to the camera and doesn't care about anything that's around him. And maybe, I just think things downtown are just a little crazy, and I also decided to record this vlog when everyone was out and about. Like if I would have tried to record the video at like 2-ish when no one was out, I probably would have succeeded. But I just came back up to the parking garage because I was getting annoyed by all the people looking at me, staring at me. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is Chris Meets Chris is a real G because he just walks around and vlogs and doesn't care about his surroundings, and I need to learn how to do that more, to care a little bit less. Shout out to you, Chris. That's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is the past couple of videos I've made on this channel. I've talked about how much I love the DJI Action 5. And I figured I would make a video about the things I don't like, kind of, about this camera. So anytime I use this camera, right, I get a little bit upset that I'm not using my Sony camera. And what I mean by that is I love the ease of use of recording a vlog, recording a quick video with the DJI Action 5. I'm able to place it in certain places, or I'm able to get different shots that I wouldn't be able to get with a Sony camera without properly rigging it up or spending extra time to get that shot. So that's why I love this camera. It's easy to use. But every single time I use this camera, in the back of my head, I start thinking, I wish I would have used my Sony camera. Why am I not using my Sony camera? I have a $2,000 setup that records 4K. The image looks absolutely beautiful. I love color grading it. And I get in my head about it. And then while I'm editing my video, I start to think, oh, this isn't interesting. No one's gonna watch it because there's no cinematic shots. And what the Action 5 has done and also annoyed me with is how easy it is to record videos, to pop it open and just go about your day and just record. And in my head, maybe this isn't like a video of the things I hate about the Action 5. It's actually a video about the things to stop worrying about when you're creating a video, because I feel like every single time I want to go and create something, I feel like it has to be perfect, right? And I've preached throwing perfectionism out the door with this camera, but there's still like a part of me that's just like, maybe if I would have spent like a little bit more time on the video and got some extra shots, instead of the video getting 300 views, it would have gotten like 5,000 views. Or if I would have spent a little bit more time of what I wanted to think about and talk about, the video, instead of getting 1,000 views, would have gotten 10,000 views. And maybe that's just the mind of creators, right? We're always just thinking, oh, this video would have been cooler if I would have did this, or if I would have had that piece of gear. And I feel like especially when you're coming up, right? You look at the people that are creating content, you look at the people who you look up to, and you're like, oh, I can't start to create something until I have the Sony FX3, the Canon 5D Mark II. Oh, he's only where he's at or she's at because they have this, this, and that. And then you start to compile some things, and then you realize that nothing nothing that you're doing online or no gear that you get is gonna help you with anything that you do online. What makes a good video, what makes a good story is you. So I think I just talked myself out of the thing I hate about the Action 5 and turned this back into a video again of why I love it. Also, just look at this. Just look at that. Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, my mind's all crazy right now because I'm doing something pretty cool on Saturday. I'm gonna take this ND off and see how we look. And I'm gonna try to vlog it. And I have a separate video that I'm gonna record on this theory called high agency and how you can start looking at life of how to make life happen for you, not to you. And I get my head a lot with just creating videos, and I hope this makes sense. And maybe I'm not even gonna throw this up on the channel or not, but I think I just sold myself on loving this camera even more. I had the idea of talking about the things that I hate about it, and then I circled back on the things that I love. I am very tempted though to sell my Sony gear for Fuji, and I want like a camera that feels like film. I love shooting film. I started shooting film. The problem is it's so expensive to develop. So expensive to develop. So if I can get like the Fuji X Pro 3, where I'm taking my time more and shooting really great photos, because I am like falling back hard into the love of photography, and I want to really take beautiful photos. But then I just think about, well, what happens if I want the convenience of a Sony camera where it takes awesome photos and also I can capture high quality video, especially for my trips that I'm going to. So again, I want Fuji, I also want a Sony camera, and I also just want to start recording more on the Sony or on my Action 5. So I'm gonna name this, I'm selling all my gear. I hate the Action 5 Pro, and I just feel like I need to get a video up because my weekend's gonna be crazy, and work's been crazy. I don't have a lot of time to do the things that I want to do. So whenever I come up with a cool idea, I try to act on it, and my mind's all crazy. This video's all freaking over the place. If you made it this far, thanks. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.